Hi, my friends. Have a nice day to you. Today's fourth vlog I will answer the questions that some of you have. Before starting this video, I hope everyone will support me, give me a like, and subscribe to my channel to give me more motivation to make more videos. Many of you have commented on your TikTok asking, what will the shop's product packaging box look like and will there be anything included? I also answer questions. This is my product packaging box and will come with a thank you card from the shop. And next question, how long is the shipping time? Depending on the delivery address, the delivery time will be about 10 to 15 days. Our side sells main items such as terracotta pots, wood slice painting, rocks painting, canvas painting, keychains, and I can accept custom requests. And note, 100% of the photos on the web are real photos taken by myself and taken by myself. You can buy it as a gift for your family or friends. For those of you who like decor and room decoration, this is a perfect choice. And I hope I have helped you answer some frequently asked questions, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to email them. support@emeraldblossoms.com. I'm happy to help you guys. you are interested in this product, I will leave the product link below for your reference. And lastly, thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel to have more motivation to make videos.